And I know what you're thinking. What were the results? Of course, you probably already know they're good. But it was good. It was good. And it turns out that these ChatGPT predictions were actually pretty good at predicting what the stock would do the next day. And when they actually graphed this out over the 8 weeks and they compared it to other methods for making predictions like this, it did quite a bit better. So this graph actually shows the starting point where they were all at the same baseline and the actual amount of money they went up or down. So these stocks were measured from October to January, and they had a few different portfolio setups. So in some cases, if it was bad news, they actually shorted it. In other news, if it was bad news, they ignored it, and they only bought when it was good news. But in other cases, when they went down, they short sold it to actually push that even further, and when it went up, they bought it. So the green line just buys companies that have good news. The blue line buys companies with good news, and it short sells companies with bad news. So because they're expecting it to go down, they actually want to profit from that downward momentum.